Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya Net Foodish Ordar mapi Nginwan ramangi Hakerdob yeng jongpi
Sembut Menteri Rambak ke Jelau bak Preston Tensong ubedai pej di ketanat kampung yeng wilayah Thu bak Sorkar ke Bud Dien Phah ke jingwan her ki drone ke Bangladesh Syepo upur usam ke Meghalaya kata syaduk jan Sorkar bat Sheila kiblatip kerteng kum ki Bangladeshi beraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicles Ki bentak haput jang ke Meghalaya bat ke Bangladesh ki jerong haduk 110 kilometer bat ia kini ki UAVs layo i dang hagi di kendiat sengi bagi her nasun dan Sorkar bat Sheila East Khasi Hills. Habi kira bagi nong thok kubor bat Preston ulong bak Sorkar ke Bud Dien yakane bagi nyai pintip ke Sorkar pedeng bat ke Sorkar pedeng ru klashim ki habah halor kane. Nakaliang ke Sorkar kelabat ha iki bor Pulit jong ka bikin le ke badan kambaro bat benlong di Peitngor bah.
Well, in fact, from the state government, as far as the border issue is concerned, it is being looked after by the BSF, by the government of India. However, state government and the central government, we are closely working together. Be it, those people trying to infiltrate or to come into Meghalaya, to India, or even the drone that recently has been detected that from Bangladesh, drones has even reached up to Cherrapunji. So these issues are always being closely discussed between the state government and the central government. So I'm very sure we are in a position to make sure that things is under control and nothing to worry about. We appeal to all the Indian people not to worry about whatever, and we are there. We are committed to make sure that our country is intact and our country is totally safe. We are in touch between the state government and the Ministry of Home Affairs. We are always in touch, almost twice a day. And then we are also sharing the inputs each other. But I'll not be able to detail everything, whatever we shared between the Ministry of Home Affairs and the state government.